At Northeast ISD, we are dedicated to preparing all students for bright futures. Whether your child dreams of excelling in college, launching a career, or both, we have the tools to support their journey. In this video, we'll showcase our advanced academic course offerings, designed to give students a head start on college and beyond. Let's discover the opportunities that await them. Let's start with Advanced Placement, or AP. AP courses provide students the chance to experience college-level learning during high school. These courses bring the rigor of college to high school, offering students the chance to earn college credit by taking an AP exam at the end of the year. The classes are free, with a fee only for the AP exam. AP courses challenge students by building critical thinking and time management skills. They are taught by highly trained NEISD teachers who follow rigorous College Board standards. At the end of the course, students will take an AP exam, which may earn them college credit based on their score and their chosen college's policies. AP classes look fantastic on college applications, showing that students are ready for the demands of higher education. Choosing AP means choosing a challenge that prepares students for college and for life. Next, we offer dual credit courses, a fantastic opportunity for students to earn both high school and college credit at the same time. Most dual credit courses are taught by NEISD teachers who are also certified as adjunct professors by Alamo colleges, while some courses may be taught directly by Alamo College's faculty. Courses are free of charge and give students the chance to start building their official college transcript while in high school. Dual credit courses focus on practical knowledge and skills that students can apply immediately in their college journey. Students must demonstrate college readiness in order to meet the college entry requirements. For students looking to save time and money on college, dual credit is a smart choice. Finally, we have OnRamps, a unique dual enrollment program created in partnership with the University of Texas at Austin. OnRamps combines high school and college experiences into one. Students receive instruction from both their high school teachers and the UT professors through a blend of in-person and online learning. There are no special tests required to enroll, and at the end of the course, students can choose whether to accept the college credit based on their performance, giving them more control over their academic record. OnRamps offers a glimpse into college life, making it an excellent option for students eager to prepare for higher education. At Northeast ISD, we believe every student deserves a pathway to success. Each of these academic pathways, AP, dual credit, and OnRamps, offer unique benefits. The right choice depends on your student's goals, strengths, and readiness for advanced coursework. Talk to your school counselor to learn more about these programs and find the best fit for your child. Northeast ISD, where advanced academics shape the leaders of tomorrow.